Real estate is the worst thing to do with your money, right? Exactly. Opposite. Let's look at the real estate as an investment class and consider various factors that can demonstrate its potential benefits and why it might be a good investment choice.
Okay.
Historical performance and stability.
What do you mean?
Real estate has historically shown stable and appreciable growth over long periods, unlike some volatile investment options like stocks. So real estate is a safer investment in times of economic uncertainty.
Like right now.
Yes, exactly. And real estate is a physical asset that provides intrinsic value. Real estate can be utilized. You can live in it, or it can generate income for you. You can rent it out. And since we're talking about Dubai, there are zero taxes on rental income and zero taxes return from resale.
Okay, zero taxes is good.
But what about inflation? Real estate often acts as the hedge against inflation. As the cost of living increases, so does the value of real estate and rent that can be charged. It means that the real estate can protect investors' purchasing power over time, especially in such fast-growing market as in Dubai.
But why do I talking to myself?
Because this is what you've been asking yourself, and you already know all the answers. Just contact Imtilak Global.
Yeah.